Good morning, children. You're welcome to the Fine Offspring International School Virtual Classroom. Alright, today in mathematics, we will be looking at a very interesting topic. Can you say that? Okay, very interesting topic. And the topic is place value. Can you say that with me? Place value, that's great. Now, everything in the world has its own place. Mr. X is standing in front of the board. This is my place. Where you are also sitting down, that is your own place. Then you can quickly move where you are, move to the next side. That means you've moved from one place to another. Likewise, numbers also have their own place. Now, when we talk about place value is the position of a number. Place value is the position of a number. Very good. Now, we have different place values with numbers. The first one is units. Unit has just one value, and that is 1. Tens, 1 and 0. 100, 1 and 2 zeros. 1,000, can you say that? 1,000, good. Then we have tens of 1,000, tens of 1,000, 10 and 1,000. Then the next one we have hundreds of 1,000, again, hundreds of 1,000, good, 100 and 1,000. The next one we have million, can you say that? Beautiful. Then we have the next one, which is tens of million. Tens of million. Then we have a 10 and million. The next one is hundreds of million. Hundreds of million. Then we have 100 and a million. The next one also is the billion. 1 and a billion. Billion has how many zeros? Let's split it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then billion has 9 zeros. After billion, we move on to the next one, which is tens of billion, which is a 10 and your 9 zeros. The next one is hundreds of billion. 100 and the 9 zeros. Then I need you to memorize this because it will actually help you when writing in words. Alright, we have unit tens down to what? Hundreds of billion. Now let's see how we can actually write numbers in words. We want to write numbers in words. For example, write 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4 in words. Now remember what I told you the first time. I said for you to write numbers in words, you definitely need to memorize your place value system from your units down to hundreds of billion. Is that taken? Alright, now let's see this example. Write this in words. Then for you to write in word, the first thing you need to do is to space your values. What I say? Great! Space your values. Now let's space our values. We have 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, and 4. That's the first thing you are to do. The second thing you need to do is to write the values on each of the number. Write the value on each of the number. Now let's write them. The first one from your right. The first one from your right we have our units. The next one is my tens. The next one is 100. Next one is 1,000. Next one is tens of 1,000. The next one is hundreds of 1,000. Then the last number here is the million. What I say? The million. Now, we've written the values on them. The next step for us to write in words now is we need to give them space. We need to space our values. And when you want to space your values, you space your values from the right. From where? From the right. Now let's space them into threes. What we have? 1, 2, and 3. Put my comma. 1, 2, and 3. Put my comma. Then we have 3, 3, and this. Right? Alright. Now after this, after you've given space them into 3, the next thing you have to do is to give them a surname. What I say? Give them a surname. You have a surname, right? My own surname is Etin. And what's your own surname? Good. Now let's give them a surname. Now I'm going to call, because this one, I'm going to call all this under 100. I'll call this under what? They all have 1,000. Then their surname is what? 1,000. Good. And this one is actually standing alone. And it has just one surname. And which is what? Million. Is that taken? The next is for us to write them out in words. We have 1,423,524. Do you get that? Alright, now I'm going to write this now in words. Okay, now I've actually written down these figures in words. That taken? Now let's see the last example. Write 4,002,003,125 in words. You are writing this figure also in words. Remember what I told you? The first thing you do is to write them and space your figures. Now let's space. Then we have 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 1, 2, and 5. Then what do we do now? We write them out. Units, tenths, hundred, thousand, tenths of thousand, hundreds of thousand, million, tenths of million, hundreds of million, and my billion. Right? Then the next thing we do now is to do what? Can I hear you? Good. Space into 3 from your right. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, my comma. 1, 2, 3, another comma. Right? Then what do we do now? Give them their family surname. Right? Okay. And we add all this to be 100, all the thousands together, all the million together, and this represents my billion. And after this, I need to write them out in words. Okay. Okay, now you can see I've been able to write out these figures in words. That taken? Then if you still do not understand this video, kindly replay the video. Attached to this video is actually a worksheet in your portal. And log into your portal and answer the question. Till I come your way again next week, I remain Mr. Etin Emmanuel, the mathematician, and I say bye.